Hi friends, welcome to Ceventify. Today I am going to show you how to register your banquet with Ceventify and get your banquets booked directly online from users. The process is very simple. You just have to go in Google. Now type in Ceventify and press enter. Click on the first link. The website will look like this. Now, when you register your banquet, it will be listed here. You can all see all the banquets listed according to prices and all. Here you can compare the prices. Users can see the price and book them if they want. So, now if you want to register your banquet, click on the add listing button. Now click on register. Type in your username. I am using a sample username, and your username shouldn't contain any spaces. If you give space, it won't work. Okay, and type in your email address. I'm using an example. You should use your own email address here, where you will receive all the messages and others. Type your password. It should follow the rules given in that password section. Click on register as a partner, agree to the terms and conditions, and click register. Success is shown and you are redirected to the add listing page. Now here you have to type in all your details about your banquet. In the banquet title, type the banquet name. I am using a sample banquet name. You have to type your own banquet name. I'm typing in XYZ banquet hall. Now from listing category, choose either it is a hall or any others. Type in your address. You can also use the location picker, or you can manually type it. It's all your choice. I'm typing my address here. You can choose the Google located address and it will catch all your longitude and latitude. Type in your city. Here type the email address, which will be treated as an official email address. You will receive all our newsletter, notifications, and many more steps. Type in your phone number. You will receive the OTP or the primary phone number where we may call you if you have a website. Now click on the photo section. This is the place where you can upload your photos. Choose at least 3 photos to showcase your banquet. You can choose any photos. It can be either the front, the entrance of the banquet, inside of the banquet. After uploading, you choose one header image and the rest 3 will be the featured image. I'm choosing one header image, featured image. In the header slider, choose this 3 featured image. It will be featured with the header image. Now in the details, I am writing a description. You have to write your own banquet description about the points, what popular things it has, to what you can write is to make it noticeable to all the users so that the people can get better acquainted with it. Write your check-in time and check-out time. Check-in time is the time when users will visit your banquet, and check-out time is when they will leave the banquet premises. Remember to always give that. Now the carpet area is the total area of your banquet, and open space, if you have any, you can write. All of these are in square feet. Now the food culture is veg, non-veg, or both. Means if you have veg, you can write veg. If I have both, you can write both, and so on. Okay, I'm choosing both. Now electricity charges, is it included in the price or not? Included, I'm choosing yes. Now this is the working hours section. It is where people will know when your banquet is open for business, means when they can come to visit your banquets. So choose the time zone here. I'm choosing Kolkata mine. Now click on the enter hour section and click on add hour, and I'm specifying 10 o'clock. Means my banquet is open from 10 a.m. to 5. and you have to do it every day wise. Monday, Tuesday, enter hours. I'm doing the same thing over and over. It is because that you have to specify each dates so that everyone can know, and if I have one day off, I can just click on the close all day. Means I am not opening my banquet on that day. It's just simple. And if I have the opposite, I will click on open all. Now after that is finished, I'm going to the facility section. Here I will put what I have in my banquet. Let's say bathroom, air condition, elevator in building, is it wheelchair friendly or not, and so on. Now choose all these facilities you have. Bharat allowed, decor provided by venue, doorman if you have, if firecrackers allowed then you can choose firecrackers, if not then don't choose that one. Food provided by venue or not. If it says you can keep it. Free parking if it's there, havan if it is allowed or not, music is allowed or not, power backup, kitchen, decoration allowed or not. See all these facilities given and choose from it. TJ, if PPL license is required or not, you have to check if you have it or not. And the event type, choose all the events you allow: marriage, birthday, corporate party, memorial, religious event if you have. If you don't have, don't choose. Now promo video, you put the YouTube link of your video if you have, or you can upload from here. Okay, if you have, we also do promo videos for banquets. You can visit our YouTube channel and can see how we did promo videos for few banquets in there. Now you can add electricity provided. I'm putting myself 5 kV. You can put your own. Now you can add any extra questions service. Maximum cars, how many cars maximum you can park in front of your banquet or your parking space. I'm clicking my 15. Now additional service fees, if you have any additional service you can put it there. Let's say I have valet, means person, I have a valet service and I can put it in here in the service name, valet, VALT. If it's free, I will just keep 0. If it's extra price, I will add a service fee to it. Now in the floor section, click on the add floor. This is the place where you have to specify the price of the banquet. This section will act as the primary place where you can showcase your banquet. I'm clicking first floor of my banquet. I'm clicking first floor with AC. Give the price of the AC part, the whole banquet with AC, means the first floor with AC. I'm specifying is say 25,000. Don't give any comma because it may not take it in the system. Just write the numbers. Floor quantity 1, maximum guests, minimum day of booking, it's 1. Check-in time, here also you can put when guests can come in this floor, when guests can check out from this floor. The guest number is the maximum number of guests you can afford in your banquet, means which it doesn't become claustrophobic. In the featured image you can upload it, or you can choose from the uploaded images. I'm uploading from my side. Select the image, it will show in the featured image. You can also upload more images. Now in the description, write what is about your first floor, what are you offering, what you are not, what is best for. Now after you have written it, you go to the feature section. You can also add the features which are specified for this floor, like air conditioning, Bharat allowed, food culture, Music allowed, power backup is there, outside decor allowed, oven is allowed, firecrackers not allowed in this place, and it's also not wheelchair friendly. Now, in the available dates, you have to show the user which dates are open for business. Now you can add a specific price for a date. Let's say on the month of September I choose the 16th and I hike my price to a sum. I hike my price. 17th also I hike my price. It's 30,000, not from the usual 25,000. I can do this in here, and this will show in the system, and users will know that this day your price is higher than your actual price. You can go on and add any price you want and click on that save button, and finally click on save changes. You can see the banquet is listed there with the floor. Add floor gives another floor option. You can add, let's say, first floor. I am writing that part with AC, and now I am writing without AC. So I am writing first floor non-AC and giving the price. Let's say 15,000. Floor quantity 1. And the maximum guest, let's say I keep around 80. Minimum day 1. Check-in time, check-out time just the same as before. You can choose different check-in time and different check-out time. This is all for, if you want to add many floors in your banquet. Let's say your banquet have 3 floors. You can add them and specify 3 different prices and 3 different amenities and everything different for them. Just like the previously, you can upload images here. Select an image. I just uploaded one. I'm going to select it. I'm writing the floor details of this particular floor, basically the floor without AC. So in the floor details section, I will leave out the air conditioned. I'm not choosing that. I am going with I'm changing my description. You can change anytime you want. I'm keeping basically the same banquet hall without AC. So I am not choosing AC, and I am choosing all the rest functions I have, the rest amenities, Bharat allowed, decor provided by venue, and everything I have chosen there. Now in the date section, I can unlock the dates of each and every month, just like the previous one. I am unlocking the dates of month of December, January, February, and so on. And Ceventify provides a 365-day calendar for you. You can choose to block the date. You can choose to increase the price of each date anytime you want. After you are done with it and happy, you can increase any day prices. I'm keeping 12,000, no, let's say 10,000 for the 1st January and 15,000 for 2nd January. Like this, I can go on and click on save changes if you're happy with it. Now you can see the floors are listed: first floor with AC, first floor non-AC. Now in the official part, you have to provide your account details, account number, branch name. Now you may ask, why should I give that? But let me clarify you. Ceventify only takes your official bank details because since the user is directly booking in Ceventify and booking your banquet, it needs to pay in our website, and we will give this money, the booking amount, to you. And that's why we need their account details in which we have to transfer the money the user provides. So you can choose from the given bank names, or you can write another name. I am writing sample bank because I am showing it to you. IFSC code, remember to give it properly, because if you don't, your payment may not get transferred. Your name on the PAN card means the person who is registering here or the banquet authorities. Now the property establishment, if it is lease, keep lease. If it's your own, keep own property. GST number, if you have, then put it. Now if you don't have, you have to upload a GST NOC certificate, which you can get from below this download GST NOC. If not GST IN available, if you click on it, you will get the certificate. You have to download it, fill up the details, and again upload it in that section. Now come up here, upload in the upload GST IN NOC if GST is not registered. Okay, now I have GST IN. I will put my GST IN here. You can put your own GST number. Trade license number, if you have to put it. In the banquet terms, put your terms and condition. Let's say cancellation charges rupees 5,000. I am putting it there. No alcohol allowed on the premises. I am putting it there. Put your own terms and conditions in this banquet terms and conditions space. And after you are satisfied, click on I agree terms and condition and save changes. You can also check the banquet's terms and conditions in the below button. Click here, and here you will refer to Ceventify's terms and conditions for banquets. Remember, you have to download it also, agree to it, put your signature, and again you have to upload it in this part. Upload partner terms and conditions JPEG photo. Okay, if you don't do that, let's say if I am not doing it and clicking on this save changes button, it will not list your banquet. You have to upload all the documents before proceeding to the further steps. So I come down here in the upload section, uploading my PAN card here, select the file. I'm selecting my PAN card and clicking on select. You will see your documents uploaded. I am uploading a sample one. You have to upload your own documents. Click on the cancel check and upload your cancel check here. Same process, GST certificate, upload file. You have to upload all the scanned copy of these documents. Remember, if you don't upload, some functionalities may not work afterwards. Upload trade license. Select it. Upload partner terms and conditions. To upload it, come down. In the below section, you will find this download banquet's terms and conditions. Go through it, download it, choose a place, save it. You have to print this document, read through it, sign the document, and you have to come up here and click on the upload button. Select the file. I have already signed it, so I will just upload it, and you can see it there. Now if your GST is not available, as we have previously told that if you don't have the GST IN number, you can come down and download this GST NOC certificate. Same process, download it, go through it, sign the document, then scan it and upload the scanned copy of the GST NOC certificate in there. Select the file. I am uploading the scanned GST NOC certificate and select it. After you have done, click Save Changes. As you can see, we have just registered our XYZ banquet hall with Ceventify. You can see the images here. The images we just uploaded in the featured section. The working hours of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All the details, check-in time, check-out time. Available floors, first floor with AC, non-AC, and the prices, listing features. Here people can add review here and submit it. So this is how you can register your own banquet with Ceventify and get user bookings online. Thank you.